Hello, my dear learners. Welcome to this channel. I am Rakesh and I have been a learner. In this channel, I have started the series that is Broken and Spoken English Speaking Practice for beginners, and of course, this is the channel where you can improve your communication skill, and I create a lot of videos related to learning English language. In this series, I allow myself to speak English without thinking about right or wrong. Of course, incorrectly or correctly, they don't consider. I always try to focus on speaking practice, and this is the video for beginners. So let's move on today's topic. In this topic and in this video, I am going to tell you a technique with the help you can start a conversation with yourself. And of course, there is no need to be a good partner with whom you have to start a speaking practice. For this, you have enough, and of course, you can start a speaking practice with yourself. So guys, first of all, I want to tell you about the technique which is used by me. I always use this technique, that is start speaking myself with small talks in English. What does it mean? That is, I always start speaking in form of short words, sentences, statements, and simple survival English that is related to my daily activities, whatever I do every single day. From morning to evening, whatever I do, just express in English language. Sometimes I start speaking practice as I introduce myself, that is a small talks with myself. I don't need to be a partner with whom I can start a speaking practice. Just speak myself in English as a broken English. Don't consider this. So guys, I would like to suggest you can follow like me how to start a conversation with yourself. You can just start speaking as a introducing yourself. In this way, start a small talks in English. Because you are just a beginner in speaking English language, initially you will have to follow this technique, that is, I always follow in my way. To learn any language, of course English language, there are many techniques, many methods it may be, but in this video I am going to share with you this technique, that is a small talks. Start with yourself in English, a small talks. At least you can include 5 to 10 sentences related to your life, your daily routine. You can express with yourself in English language. Make sure slowly but surely you will definitely be fluent in a day, but as a beginner you can start a speaking practice by small talks and simple sentences related to your daily life. So this is all about my technique I want to share with you. So guys, from today you just start a speaking practice with yourself with small talks. So next video I will bring a new methods by which you can speak English easily and effortlessly, and you can watch these videos as a speaking practice. It helps you a lot to improve your speaking skills. So thanks for watching Learning, Growing and Earning.